We're just sailing across the Sumbawa coastline. I don't know if you can see on the video, but there is so much rubbish in the water, so much plastic. There's plastic everywhere.
The ocean is just smothered in them. We pull anchor from Moyo and we head to Badass. After we pulled anchor from Moyo Island, we went to Badass, which is the capital of Sumbawa. And unfortunately we lost the footage from there because our hard drive shut itself. So I just wanted to tell you guys that if you are cruising Sumbawa, please go to Badass because it's an absolute cool little town. We went there for 3 days because we had to do our visa extension, and it was probably the easiest place we did our visa extension. You get a lot of culture there. Probably one of the best markets we went to with the fresh produce. So we are back from the markets. We did really well. Pretty excited because we got avocados and broccoli, which you don't see in most of the markets in Indo. We worked out all up that it cost us about $30, and that was with spending $10 on avocados alone and $5 for the broccoli. So all up it's pretty cheap. But yeah, so that's in Sumbawa at the capital city, Badass. Pretty excited to leave now, and we'll be heading to Northern Rights.
How's it all going?
Yeah, good. It's coming up really nice. I've done a little patch here, but I've pretty much got to sand the rest. I've done the main sanding, so I've just got to get it nice and shiny now, and then I'll cut it to the size I want. I think I'm going to have it quite deep, because I'm going to have it on the bench for all my garlic and tomatoes and that. But yeah, one more to do after this. And yeah, my hand is like vibrating. Pretty gnarly.
We're heading into Potu Padu for a night's rest.
Just so you can tell from the mask. So he's telling us to go that way. This guy's telling us to go the other way. Old mate's got his little fire there.
Packing everything up.
Yep.
Got a breath of wind now.
Yeah, we're lucky we got in because we sailed that whole way, didn't we? Put the motors on like for about just for the end, yeah. How long did that take us? About 2 hours? 15 nautical miles. Hello.
Welcome
Australia.
Australia, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you fish with a
Yes.
line?
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Oh, frothy.
Frothy for the boys. Oh, very frothy.
Oh, it's a boy.
Cheers.
How you going there, mate? Having a frothy, chilling out.
Frothy. We're anchored in a creek. It's pretty sick. Few mangroves there. The locals just come past. I reckon there's chummy, which is squid, all along here. So we're going to have a bit of a crack at getting some squid tonight. Fishermen come over and we gave them some hooks and some sinkers and swivels and a bintang. They're loving life.
Warm bintang.
Yeah, warm bintang, and he sculled it. He was pretty stoked.
We gave them some school books as well and pencils. So where are we off to tomorrow?
So we're heading down the west coast of Sumbawa. It's about 40 nautical mile, and there's surf there. Yeah, back in the surf. Help, help.
So it's 5:30. We pulled anchor and we're setting sail. But all the fishing boats are got netting the river mouth, well, where we need to exit. But could help and managed to get out.
Oh yeah, there's a little channel through the middle, I think. Hello.
So there's nets just there. Nets everywhere. I think you gotta hug these guys.
I don't have the board, I think. Coffee.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pagi. They're really nice men here. Look at that. Silk. So yeah, as you know, we've pulled anchor and we're not sailing, we're motoring to our next spot. So we're gonna go pull up at that little island there. It's full of palm trees, so I'm hoping we can get some calapas and check out the diving. Hopefully it's good. It's like glitter on the water. So I'm just making some vegetarian sushi for lunch. I've got avocado, spring onion, carrot, a bit of Chinese cabbage and red rice. Just adding sesame seed on top. So sushi rolls are done. Pretty much it was just the rice left over from last night. I put it in the fridge so I can make sushi today, and it's quick and easy. And I've just soaked some ginger with soy sauce to dip them in.
Gonna go for a free dive down, have a look at the anchor and see if it's worth going for a spear.
Your little wooden spear gun. And then sewn on a shoe to their flipper. It's mad.
Cool.
So I come onto this little island because it's just full of coconut trees. See if we can score some coconuts. Wait a while for the tourists. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more. I just want to say thanks to our Patreons.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers, guys. Legends.
If you want to see where we're currently at, we're just chilling in the Mentawai Islands. You can follow us on Instagram, Sailing on Paradise.
It's pretty amazing. We just anchored up over there. Enjoying a couple of bintangs.
On our sup bar. Pretty good bar, this one.
Good bar. Cheers, guys.
Woo!